Hello everyone, I am again back with my new topic and today we are going to understand about clear the waste. Clear the waste. What is waste? Anything which is of no use, which you and me are not using and we have dumped it. That is called waste and it is also called garbage. Waste can be of different kinds. It can be household waste, it can be industrial waste, it can be agricultural waste, or it can be commercial waste. So waste also we have classified into different parts. Now moving ahead with waste. We are continuously repeating. There are two types of waste. One is biodegradable waste and one is non-biodegradable waste. What is biodegradable waste? Waste which can naturally mix with the soil and can be broken down easily by air or microorganisms. That waste is known as biodegradable waste. Examples of biodegradable waste: your breads, fruit peels, leftover food items, etc. are your biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste. Waste which cannot mix easily with the soil and cannot be broken down by air or microorganisms. That waste is known as non-biodegradable waste. For example, your plastic material, for example, your gadgets. These types of materials, polythene, Tetra packs, tin cans, these are all materials and they are considered as non-biodegradable waste because it cannot mix easily with the soil. It takes too much time to decompose. So these types of waste are called non-biodegradable waste. Now, pollution. What is pollution? When harmful substances mixed with water or air, it causes pollution. And apart from that, waste can also be categorized in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid states: your plastic materials, your polythene bags, your tetra packs, your tin cans, these all are the examples of solid waste. If I talk about waste means your detergent, your washing soda powders, which we are using for washing our clothes. These are your liquid waste. If I talk about gaseous state, so gaseous waste is that waste when harmful gases from the factories or industries released out and mix with the air, and that waste is known as gaseous waste. So the term gas is clearly it makes us understand that what it is. So waste can be also categorized on the basis of state: solid, liquid, and gas. Now, waste accumulation, collection of waste at a particular place. What happens if waste is collected at a particular place? First, as we know that it will make the area dirty, bad smell will start coming from that, number of diseases will spread, number of insects will lie on that, they will make the area dirty, they will spread diseases, it will be a place or home for rats, mosquitoes. So what is to be taken care? That waste should be thrown at a particular place, and the place for throwing a waste is dustbin. Okay, so waste should not be accumulated at a particular area. Okay, it gives out a bad smell as I told you. Waste thrown on roads occupy space and make the road dirty. It will also make the area dirty. Now we have to think about how can we clear the waste. Okay, if we will not clear the waste, it will make our area dirty, number of diseases will spread. Apart from that, if we will throw in the on the land, it will pollute the land. If we will burn the garbage or the waste, it will pollute the air. If we will throw that waste and garbage in the water, it will pollute the water. So we have to take utmost care that what steps we should take to dump this waste and how to clear the waste. As we all know that our government is taking number of steps, they are taking number of steps to clear the waste. Particular trucks are coming to our house to collect garbage. Okay, people are allotted to collect garbage, and they advised us to keep the garbage bin separate, blue bin, green bin. They all advise us how to work about. So it is our duty to keep our area, to keep our environment and resources very clean.